Hello friends, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to make an amazing 3 ingredients chocolate ice cream. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our videos. So let's get started. First, let's whisk 360 grams of whipping cream for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also use a hand mixer instead. Now, let's add 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk to it. Mix both the ingredients well. To this mixture, I am adding 60 grams of cocoa powder. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until it's all blended well. Scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula and ensure that the ingredients are mixed properly. To this, I am adding a teaspoon of chocolate essence. This would enhance the taste. Once our ice cream mixture is ready, let's pour it into a tray. Make sure to spread the ice cream evenly and tap the tray a couple of times before chilling. Cover the tray with a tight lid, or you can use aluminium foil. Freeze the ice cream overnight or for 4 to 5 hours. Our ice cream is completely ready. Make sure to dip your ice cream scooper in hot water to get perfect scoops. Hope you have liked this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll come back with more amazing videos. Thank you.